Okay, today we will be reviewing the Hot Wires Plug and Play electronics set. It's an actual working electronics set. This is something I built. It's used it to make it a very bright light. You have to use 4 batteries in the 2 battery packs. If you want to make a dim light, only use 2 batteries. The 1 battery pack. The interior looks like this. Its durability is quite good unless you want to break it like properly. But the fan, which is this part, is easily breakable, so don't mess around with it too much. Clip it together like this. With the holes and the sticky up bits. And metal, because that's a good conductor. And here's what the fan can do. It does come with instructions, and you can make different things like burglar alarm, lie detector, flying disc, and FM radio. It passes from big kid to little kid very well, and I know that because all of the members of the family have played with it before. Which happened? Bye. That is the end of our review.